How to fix Spotify songs not playing. Today guys I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Spotify. And when you found Spotify, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go to Play Store and update in your Spotify. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like in and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.